Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, Bitcoin hit $30,000, which is absolutely spectacular. On the very last day of my vacation, I am headed back home to my studio where I've got more crypto content coming to you guys every single day. But let's talk about this 30K Bitcoin, which honestly, it didn't seem like most folks were expecting. Recently, we had the Bitcoin spot ETF rumor that drove us up from 27,000 all the way up to 29.5. Today, we hit $30,000. Everybody's going crazy on Twitter. The CEO of crypto.com, Chris Marszalek, tweeted out 30K Bitcoin in celebration, and it is very, very, very exciting. Guys, the big question in everybody's mind is, where is Bitcoin going to end the year? Earlier this week, I did a video talking about how we don't necessarily need to see a big price explosion towards the end of the year here. Now, October is typically a bullish month. Right now, October is up about 5 or 10%. So Bitcoin's doing pretty well right now. But the big question still remains, what is going to happen with the price of Bitcoin to close this month into November and December? Are we going to get what everybody looks out for, which is called the Santa rally? The truth is, guys, is there could be a very good chance that this is the beginning of that Santa rally. Now, as you've seen, we've been talking a lot about one more big capitulation event coming for Bitcoin, possibly a dump down to 21,000, maybe even 19,500 one more time for Bitcoin before the bull market. And I'll be honest with you guys, that opinion is not going to change. Now, that doesn't mean that I'm not buying until we get that dip. That's not the right idea, guys. When it comes down to it, my strategy is focused in on dollar cost averaging and holding on for the long term. Look at the value proposition of Bitcoin. Look at all the turmoil that's going on in the world right now. When there's war going on and there's uncertainty in the world, then you need an alternative to the dollar, alternative to fiat currencies, especially if you're in some of these war-torn countries. This is why I do think we're going to continue to see people flocking to Bitcoin. Right now, I do think that the chaos makes for a bullish narrative for Bitcoin. Obviously, there's tragedy happening every single day out in the Middle East right now. Obviously, also with Ukraine and Russia, what's going on. Nobody likes to see conflicts like this, but there is a very good chance that this uncertainty brings more attention to Bitcoin. There has been some negative headlines when it comes to Bitcoin funded this, Bitcoin funded that, whether it was aid or whether it was actually the airstrikes here or there. There's been a lot of conversation going on. We're coming up on a time where the spot Bitcoin ETF should be approved, and so this is a very pivotal moment for Bitcoin and crypto. I still don't think that this Bitcoin ETF gets approved until January. I believe that it'll be ARK Invest. I've been saying that. I'm going to double, triple down on that again. But in the meantime, I am enjoying these gains today, guys. I just want to give you guys a quick update. It's absolutely excellent to see. Now, beware, guys, because $30,000 is a tough level for Bitcoin. This could be the top of an area where we might reject. We also might see about a $32,000 Bitcoin. At its highest, I would expect in this rally, in this moment, to see a 32K Bitcoin and then possibly a rejection back down to $30,000 or even $28,500. If we reject now at $30,000, I wouldn't be surprised to see us come right back down to that $28,500 or $27,000 price level for Bitcoin. Because again, remember, why we started this pump the other day? I would say it's because of the fake news about the spot Bitcoin ETF put out by Cointelegraph, which were basically trolled by somebody on Twitter into putting out this news story. I think these are whale games, guys, but you got to enjoy the gains while they're happening. In the meantime, my strategy is whether we are up 5% or down 10% or up 15%, I'm dollar cost averaging, because the fact of the matter is this, guys, we are not in the bull cycle for this market yet. We are waiting on the Bitcoin halving. It's coming in 2024 in March, and I'm ready, guys. Are you? That's all I got for you in this one. I will see you back in my studio later today. I can't wait to get home, take a shower, unwind a little bit, get some more content going for you guys, and then starting Monday morning, we got live streams coming at you every single day on the weekdays, Monday through Friday at 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Guys, that's all I got in this one. 30K Bitcoin today. Hoorah! I love it. Let's go. That's all, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time, folks. Peace.